Awas. Awas, awas.
Come on, Bingo. Are you ready for your turn now?
Well, I'll tell you my least favorite thing today. Bingo, remember this one?
Go, you f***ing idiot!
Oh,
Daddy,
yeah, mate.
what's your name?
Dad.
And what is this?
No.
I'm glad I'm a big-ass white truck.
Nothing.
How about you f*** off instead?
Nothing.
Pokemon-like, and the combo is fantastic. So if you ever get a chance to grab it or get it on sale or whatever, it's not very expensive to start with. You can get it on consoles and
Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it!
Capture in 4K, we forever young, you won't see me no way. I'ma do what I want right now, I can't wait till it's too late. Everywhere up in the world right now, 10 bands in the Chevy case.
What the f is this lady's deal?
Get the f away from my car.
What's wrong?
Get away from my car. Stop beeping at my car and stop harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No.
I walked over there and you came at me.
No, I did
I
not.
wasn't even moving. Now get your camera off of me.
Stay away from me. Call the police! Somebody call the police!
That's it. We're going to. Because you're taking pictures of me for no reason. No reason. No reason.
I don't trust you, ma'am.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. So you want to call the police? Call them, because we'll settle it right now. Get your camera off of me.
No, I don't trust you. Call the police.
I'm calling the police right now.
No, I'm serious. Call the police. She's going after me.
I'm not going anywhere near you. You came after me.
No, you followed me from Bradley Beach.
I live here.
You followed me from Bradley Beach.
I didn't follow you.
And you almost hit this car too.
I didn't hit anybody. You're a liar.
No, look. You almost hit it.
I didn't almost hit shit.
Take my license plate number. I don't care.
That's like you got mine. Come on, let me see.
Good. This is going on YouTube. And the cops know me anyway.
Good. Well, I don't care. I didn't do anything wrong.
I didn't do anything wrong either, ma'am.
What, following me with the camera?
No, you followed me from Bradley Beach. And you stopped right there.
I'm a friend. So what? I can't go by the beach. I can't go by the beach.
And you almost hit this car
I
too.
almost hit no car.
Look at it.
So what? Did I hit it?
You almost did it.
I know I didn't.
Look,
I pulled over because you're coming at me with a camera.
because you followed me.
I didn't follow you. What do I want to follow you? Look at you. I want to follow you? You gotta be kidding me.
Road rage.
Road rage on your part.
No.
One great location for all your automotive needs. Get them only at Jacksonville Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, I-295 and Bay.